I hope this video today will help you understand the details of Mintegral integration. First, we are talking about the H5 Mintegral tracking pixel integration. In the field of web attribution, we can adopt Google Ads protocol standards as the basis for ad performance tracking. This requires us to integrate Google Tag Manager into web pages to manage data transmission back. And we will click this GTM link. We usually create a code for your web in Google Tag Manager so that you can insert it into your money site. The client needs to paste this code we provided at the top of the less than head greater than of the landing page, where possible, and synchronize the names of the registration event and payment event with us. This will be the code we will sync for you. After you embed the code, a new link may be generated, which is different from the initial product link. This newly generated link is the final delivery link. However, there may also be cases where the link remains unchanged after embedding the code. Therefore, we need to confirm with the client whether the code has been successfully embedded, whether a new link has been generated, and we must verify the final delivery link. The success of the integration depends on whether the client can successfully embed the code. The success of the integration can only be fully confirmed after our optimizer uploads the ads and tests the events. The last one we are talking about is the W2A third-party integration method. You need to confirm that the product type is W2A, and you need to use third-party integration. Only AppsFlyer and Adjust are supported. We will send our email to you, and you need to grant us permissions. For Adjust, it is necessary to remind the client to grant editor permissions. At the same time, you also need to synchronize the third-party entity name and APK package name. After you successfully grant authorization, we will synchronize the login method of the authorized email to the optimizer, and the internal configurations of the third parties will be completed by the optimizer. Clients using Adjust must grant editor permissions to the email, and AppsFlyer requires administrator permissions. The success of the integration can only be fully confirmed after our optimizer uploads the ads and tests the events. This is a rough explanation. I hope it helps you. Thank you for listening.